If you're looking to buy a home, you've probably been paying close attention to mortgage rates. Over the last couple of years, they hit record lows, rose dramatically, and are now dropping back down a bit. Ever wonder why? The answer is complicated because there's a lot that can influence mortgage rates. Here's just a few of the most impactful factors at play. Inflation and the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve, also called the Fed, doesn't directly determine mortgage rates, but the Fed does move the federal funds rate up or down in response to what's happening with inflation, the economy, employment rates, and more. As that happens, mortgage rates tend to respond. Over the last couple of years, the Fed raised the fund rate to try and fight inflation, and as that happened, mortgage rates jumped up too. Fortunately, the expert outlook for inflation and mortgage rates is that both should become more favorable over the course of the year. As Danielle Hale, chief economist at Realtor.com says, mortgage rates will continue to ease in 2024 as inflation improves. There's even talk that the Fed may actually cut the Fed funds rate this year because inflation is cooling, even though it's not yet back to their ideal target. Additionally, mortgage companies look at the 10-year Treasury Yield to decide how much interest to charge on home loans. If the yield goes up, mortgage rates usually go up too. The opposite is also true. Historically, the spread between the 10-year Treasury Yield and the 30-year fixed mortgage rate has been fairly consistent, but that's not the case recently. That means there's room for mortgage rates to come down. So keeping an eye on which way the Treasury Yield is trending can give an expert idea of where mortgage rates may head next. The bottom line is, with the Fed meeting later this week, experts in the industry will be keeping a close watch to see what they decide and what impact it'll have on the economy. To navigate any mortgage rate changes and their impact on moving plans, it's best to have a team of professionals on your side. If you'd like to talk about buying, selling, or just have general real estate questions, DM me, text me, or give me a call. Colleen Basinski, The Forward Group at Real Broker. Thanks for tuning in.